Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep, and I wanted to share one of our biggest releases ever in UpKeep history, and it's called UpKeep Studio. I originally built UpKeep to handle maintenance. It was work orders, assets, preventive maintenance, and parts and inventory management. And UpKeep does that really well. But every team that I talk to has something that falls outside of what a normal CMMS covers. It's, a customized shift handoff. It was a different inspection follow-up for each asset. Or it was just a completely different workflow based on the way your team works, the way that your team operates. And usually that means going outside of a CMMS. That means spreadsheets, whiteboards, or a ticket to IT that takes 6 months to build. And this exact reason is why we built UpKeep Studio. It's an app platform built directly on top of UpKeep. And there's 2 ways to use it. First, we've got a marketplace of ready-made apps. We've got an app for shift transition management, an app for parts demand planning, an app for creating a work order from a photo that you take. You can install any app with 1 click and it works with your existing UpKeep data. And second, you can build your own apps. You describe what you need in natural language, the way that your business works and the way that your workflow works. And UpKeep Studio builds it for you. There's no code, no developers, no waiting. And it all runs on top of the same UpKeep platform you're already on. So same login, same permissions, same security. We ultimately built Studio because we think the people closest to the work should be the ones shaping your tools. It shouldn't be us. It shouldn't be a software vendor. It shouldn't be an IT department. It should be you. So as of today, UpKeep Studio is live. Learn more, check it out, try it out yourself. We've got so many more updates on the way, and I could not be more excited about the future. Thanks, everyone.